Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am here with yet another question, number 14 of RTP, December 2023 of CA Foundation accounts. It's a simple thing. They have asked us, they gave you the balance sheet as on 31st to 12 2022, and during the year the partnership firm earned 6 lakh profit and the partners withdrew 4,50,000. The normal rate of return is 30%. The question is, calculate the value of goodwill on the basis of 5 years purchase of super profit. For this purpose, calculate super profit using average capital employed. So super profit, we all of us know the formula, that is average profit minus normal profit. In order to find out the normal profit, we have to multiply the capital employed into normal rate of return. But in this question, they have asked us to use the average capital employed. Now here we are given the information of balance sheet as on 31st December 2022. It means this is the closing capital. We have to find out the average capital employed. I'll write it here. The average capital employed formula is opening capital. I'm writing in short. Average capital employed is equal to opening capital plus closing capital divided by 2. Now, we got the closing capital. See here, in order to find out the average capital employed, I have to apply here on the basis of average capital. So in order to find out the average capital, I have to add the opening capital and the closing capital and divide it by 2. Here in this question, they gave the balance sheet as on 31st December. The partnership firm closes on 31st December. So the capital given here is all closing capital. This is the closing capital, but I need opening capital. We all know they have given us the profit earned during the period and the drawings. The drawings, they didn't give us the bifurcation. Each one of them have withdrawn how much they gave in total. So no problem. We are going to find out first the opening capital. We all know from incomplete records itself, we already know how to find out the opening capital. So we are going to find out the opening capital. Closing capital as on 31st December 22. So if you add all the three, their capital, here it is 2,55,945 plus 675, or you subtract from 1965 the 90,000. So we are getting 18,75,000 is their closing capital. Add drawings made during the year. Because the drawings are given without bifurcation, we are not making separate for partners. Add drawings during the year. Drawings is 4,50,000. The total comes to 23,25,000. Now there is no additional capital. Otherwise, we should have subtracted the additional capital. Then we will be getting the adjusted closing capital. Now, as there is no additional capital, this itself is the adjusted closing capital. The capital is adjusted for drawings and if there is any additional capital. Okay. So now this is the adjusted closing capital. If we less the profit, we will be getting the opening capital. Profit they have given 6 lakh they earned during the year. So now this comes to 17 lakh 25,000. This is the opening capital of all the partners. So opening capital. Now I can find out the average capital because I got the closing capital as well as the opening capital now. So now average capital employed is equal to opening capital plus closing capital divided by 2. Please bear with me for my writing as well as for my writing in short. Okay, so now the opening capital is 17 lakh 25,000. You add to this the closing capital, that is 18 lakh 75,000, and divide this by 2. See, 75 plus 25 is 1, 19, 20, 26, 36. So the total comes to 36 lakh divided by 2. So now the average capital employed is equal to 18 lakh. Now we know the formula to find out the normal profit. Normal profit is equal to, I am not writing again the formula, average capital employed into normal rate of return. So 18 lakh into 30% was the normal rate of return divided by 100. So what comes here? 5 lakh 40,000. This is my normal profit. Now the super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. So now I know the average profit because they didn't give for so many years. So I'll be taking the average profit of the current year itself as average profit 6 lakh, and normal profit is 5 lakh 40,000. So now the super profit is equal to 60,000. Now goodwill is very easy. In super profit purchase method, goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years of purchase. Number of years of purchase. Please bear with me for my bad writing. So now the super profit is equal to 60,000 into number of years of purchase given as 5. So the goodwill comes to rupees 3 lakh. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you like my video, like, share, and don't forget to comment and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.